Yoga flow for relaxation. This practice includes a range of calming postures which allow an individual to focus on one's breath and release tension in the muscles. Begin with Sukhasana, easy pose. Seated twist to the right. Seated twist to the left. Stretch your shoulders and hips to Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Bend forward and touch your forehead to your feet in Baddakonasana, butterfly pose. Stretch your spine and shoulders to the extended puppy pose. Then from Adho-mukha swanasana, lift your right leg up. Bring it forward to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Stand up to warrior 1. Bend down to Trikonasana, triangle pose. And sit in Malasana, yogi squat to relax. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.